Remember 1999? The iconic electronic soundtrack, the tension of risking your pink slip, and the absolute peak of classic arcade racing? If you've been trying to figure out how to install Need for Speed 4 High Stakes on Windows 11, you already know modern PCs hate this game. But look, you're probably tired of those clickbait tutorials that waste your time with dead links, endless talking, or compatibility fixes that don't actually work. Welcome back to Freebies on Steroids. Today, we skip the fluff. I'm showing you the definitive way to get NFS4 working on modern PCs. The best part? The files are 100% clean, absolutely zero malware, zero viruses, just pure, unadulterated nostalgia. Let's get it running. Before we get further into the video, here's a quick disclaimer. This video is provided for educational and entertainment purposes only. I do not create, own, or claim ownership of any of the game files featured. The content presented in this video is not intended to encourage piracy, illegal distribution, or unauthorized downloads in any form. The channel's mission is to create archival copies of video games to prevent them from being lost forever. In some cases, games previously regarded as abandoned may later be re-released or commercially revived. If you're the copyright holder or licensing owner of any game shown on this channel and would like the content removed, please contact me at the email you see on the screen and also at the description of this video. Thank you. So now, first things first, security. As you see from my screen, I've already downloaded the game files safely on my PC. Now, I will scan them with Total Virus to show you that they do not have any viruses or malware on them. This way, you will see for yourself that the files are clean to download. This may take a while, so sit back and relax a little. As you see, game files are totally clean and safe to download. So now, we move to the download part. To download Need for Speed 4 High Stakes on PC free and safely, I've created a Google Doc with step-by-step instructions, so you can easily follow each step carefully and understand all the things you need to click and do in order for you to get the game correctly without any problem. I've done this to help you, so you don't get confused about where to go or what to click. The link to this doc, you'll find in the pinned comment and also in the description of this video. So go ahead, pause this video, click the link, follow the instructions carefully, and come back here once you get the game files. So now that you have downloaded the game correctly, there's one last thing for me to explain to you: how to install and play Need for Speed 4 High Stakes. But I'm not going to bother you too much here, because this is a very easy and straightforward thing to do. This is because you don't need to install the game at all. The downloaded files come with a pre-installed game already. To play the game, you just need to double-click nfs4.exe inside the game files. That's it. One last thing before I say goodbye. In fact, two last things. First, I recommend installing all the driver packs that you see here, so that this game works correctly. These driver packs come in help also with other games in the future that you may decide to install and play. And second, this game wouldn't be possible to play without the work of a guy named ChemicalFlood. So, special thanks to ChemicalFlood for the game files of NFS4 High Stakes. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below, as I will do my best to answer you as soon as I can. Thanks for watching this video. Till the next time, take care.